2022 upgraded version top automotive-grade LED chips, super-focused beam pattern design provides wider and farther range, 3.5 times brighter than the original halogen bulb. Further and wider visibility provides safer driving at night. Advanced technology. The latest technology removes any dark spots or foggy light, making a perfect beam pattern. No blinding or glare oncoming traffic. The built-in smart chip also comes with an upgraded CanBUS, compatible with 99% of vehicles, prevent error or flickering issue. It takes up less space, polarity-free, radio-free. Efficient heat dissipation turbo fan design made of high-density aluminum heat sink even bring the cooling system into another level. The one-piece design is developed to pass heat from the LED chips to the rear directly. Therefore, the lamp bead temperature has been maintained no more than 185 Fahrenheit, which has superior stability and durability. 10 minutes installation. The non-polarity plug-and-play design, no tools needed, directly plug into your vehicle's housing and connect. Installation typically can be done in less than 10 minutes. Fitment. Use the Amazon Vehicle Fitment tool for fitment concerns. Simply enter the vehicle info at the top of this page to determine whether this bulb will fit. You should also check your owner's manual or simply find the part number on your original bulbs to double confirm. Scroll down to the How to pick the right bulb size to learn more. Top reviews from the United States. I can see the white line. Nissan had a lawsuit instead of a recall on 2016 to 2018 Altima headlight assemblies. Since it was a lawsuit instead, they gave you a certain amount of time to get it fixed. I missed out by 3 days because of sketchy info and the shop wanted to charge $2,400.